Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A57 smartphones are unboxed, ahead of announcement. According to the latest preliminary news data, both new products are already freely available in one of the stores in Thailand. On the other hand, the very thin and light mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, will support new AI voice recognition for the first time. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to announce the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, the next generation of mid-range smartphones. Further confirmation of the impending launch came from Thailand, where a TikTok blogger filmed the unboxing of both new devices at a retail store. As leaks suggested, the devices are virtually indistinguishable in appearance, and differ little from the previous Galaxy A36 and A56. The company's display stands already list the prices of both models, which are very close to those mentioned in a recent leak. Samsung has also prepared a special display case, showcasing the Galaxy A57's larger vapor chamber compared to the previous Galaxy A56 and A55. According to the promotional poster, the new Galaxy A57 will offer a body just 6.9 mm thick, and weigh just 179 grams. This is the lightest and one of the thinnest members of the Galaxy A series, according to Samsung. However, if we recall the earliest Galaxy A models from 10 years ago, they were even thinner and lighter, so it's not entirely clear what Samsung means. The Galaxy A57 will also feature a triple camera setup, but without a telephoto lens. It will feature a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, with a 123-degree field of view, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The smartphone will run One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. On the other hand, according to an insider, the Galaxy A57 smartphone will feature Galaxy AI voice recognition, which will set a precedent for the Galaxy A series. Insider AlphaTurk claims that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 smartphone will support most of the new Galaxy AI features. The insider also reports that the Galaxy A57 will feature voice recognition, a feature previously unavailable in the Galaxy A series. According to rumors, the launch of the new Galaxy A generation will take place in early April. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.